Yeah, who they pay? You know what they pay for? I said to on your knee. Why you break my phone?
My people, I know so many of us know this our brother when they do this. Our brother when they do prank. Now they see, now they see. Now they see this our brother. I bring this news come for, and I bring this story come for. Now my people, you know, a lot of things they happen for this Facebook, for this social media. You know, many people had to many people know it day. Many people you can do undo for people to know how, for people to know you for the social media space. You know, some people now that they give their money, that they go do anything at all. When women they describe how to, you know, naka, you know, a lot of things they happen for this social media. Then this our brother, he prank James Brown. Man, look what he write for here. James Brown. He called prank James Brown. Then he scattered James Brown phone. He mind was say he want give James Brown money. He want buy iPhone give James Brown. Now just prank, he prank James Brown. But sometimes all those my brother, those who not prank when they do it. Sometimes me when I even dey on top of my bed they watch you now. Sometimes I know they comment so they break my heart. Those things when they disguagua for me, not supposed to they disguagua because people they out there when they don't get them. Now food don't they throw away when SARS be police they arrest you one time. When I throw away food, when one woman collapse, not supposed to throw away food. If now maybe food, now I do prank. Now go pack people come, make they eat. And mama no pay you. But now see his reaction. No be so now go throw away the food, throw away everything. Now cause say na prank. Me, I know they like that kind of prank. I beg. I don't know what you now think about this matter when they talk. I say one day I'll bring and come my table. Me, I still talk about this na prank. Some of them na prank too. They expensive. I be expensive. I be high. When I prank they too they high. People they cry for Nigeria. No money, no food to eat. Now go see the one when I will throw away because them of prank. How could you just carry person phone, high phone? You'll just break them or scatter and say na prank. Because they capable to buy them. Or you capable to give, for me, it not make sense. So I don't know other people how they look at those prank. I like one boy when he girlfriend and boyfriend or boyfriend, you know, you go wrap them with bandage, say if they sick, you want to see her husband or your boyfriend reaction. I love that guy. How you say they do, you know, not be say to destroy things. How now they destroy things? Carry food when people not they see they eat now. People not see food they eat. People not even see phone. Some people they talent, but they not see phone to take film video. Why can't you take that phone? Jay Brown, no one give you this phone. You will see reaction. You know, breaker. Later, you say, I don't already prank. I don't give you this phone. May you take this money, go to buy another phone. Now, still prank. You can do your prank in many ways. Because our country, they pass through. Our country, they face a lot of things. Then you go, they see the one when they throw away. Even eat food remain now. When Saga reality say, before they eat food, they will throw away. But now, if I see they take food, now I go day inside. Including this France, when I did now, bread when they buy before brioche. If you dey France, you know brioche. Brioche when they buy before 99 cents. Now it's €1.50. €1.50. What will they buy? Not up to €1 before. Now it's €1.50. Almost €2. Things when they buy very cheap before. Now everything that this France now, this France Nigerian people they cry. This France own. Why this France come say government they work? They work for their citizens, not before us. They work for their citizens. As things stay high, they know how the city do their things. You they see, talk of our country, Nigeria, government know they work. Government don't know whether you they exist. Government don't know whether you they exist. Now I go get my own. I know say that your money. I know so you can do anything with your money, but that one not concern me. I know. But at least as you they look around, there are other people. As you they help one person, you know thousands of people they surround you. Their eye, your body. One person that you they help for society. What of that food don't they throw away? Or those people things don't they throw away? Why can't you guys give other people when their eye on their body than to destroy those food or to destroy somebody's phone or to destroy somebody's things? For me, all those na prank it too they eye. How na take they pronounce that? If I enter Facebook, if I say it they draw my liver, it they draw my heart. I beg my brothers. Una they try to impact people's life, but not to destroy somebody's property, not to destroy the little one when the person gets. If person this my okrika, if you tear, if you want to give me billions, you don't get right to tear this my okrika one here. If you want give me, let me give this okrika to other person when you don't get that okrika to wear. Now so things they be. Don't go and destroy somebody's property because you get the one when you want give her when high pass that one. For me, I know the clap hand put for now maybe my own, a different version. Maybe other people like her. You can do your prank with many ways. Many ways when they do prank. You can do it. My people, my brother, I'm so sorry if I talk to you when you don't like. I like the work when they try to do. I say they try to put smile on some people's face, but stop destroying people and things. That is given to other person. May I give you now this status of this prank? As I first talk just now, that thing when you know say you want change that person life, go call another person you know say he no get at all. Area people dey now, we dey get area boys, area children. Oya me una call enter. Madam, why you dey sell for here? This food, oya those children. Oya me una eat am. Madam, that phone, no be you get am. No be you get am. Oya you carry am dey go. You go dey shout. At the end, una go give am. Wetin una go give am? That to scatter am. For me, no, I not buy am. Okay, my people, my brother, God will bless you. Let me send this message to James. That be James, not James. James Brown. Brother or sister, I don't know the one you date. But you're living now. James Brown boy girl, come here, come. If this my video, I will tag you. This our brother, he don't prank you, and he give you $3,000, $1,000, $1,000, $1,000. That is $3,000. He give you because of the prank when he prank you about your phone when he break. Then you accept. He go collect money from Mala. Then you accept him. Why you still say collect the jewelry? Why? Why many of us? Why many of you now just day one kind? Why? Person give you $3,000, $3,000. Not be 3,000 naira. $3,000. He give you. He no enter your eye. Yeah, celebrity. Brother, you said that celebrity. Me, I not call her celebrity. Celebrity of waiting now. Celebrity of boy Gabi. Now you just collect person jewelries. Not be man like you. Why? Why you will collect jewelries? After I don't pay you $3,000. He said, may we send you message, may return that all those jewelries. And me, they tell you, Naija Daughter. James Brown, send that thing, those jewelries. Send her. If you want to buy the one when you want to, they make up like our Ubi your brother, Bob Risky. You, personal just carry those jewelries. They say, trouble, they sleep, they wake up. You know good though. Though, if you will see this, our brother, you know, say I'm very calm person. Now, person when calm, where. You know, now come, bro, come. Why you think they get your money? You get money, oh. $3,000 for who? For boy girl. Hey, I bet you not come for me, oh, because yes, now boy and a still girl. I don't know what I want to give her. Now they call her boy girl because if you call our brother now, Bob Whiskey, you say who be your brother? Who be your brother? You can see our boy girl. I don't come for me, oh. He said, may we send you message. He give you 48 hours for you to return his jewelries and do so. Not let I put you for problem. He don't already prank you, don't prank you, and he pay you $3,000. And so what? That $3,000 reach that for when he break. What if me quarrel for? If I not break that your phone, if I give him to somebody who don't have phone. Now what if me get? I just see. If I not break the phone, then you go collect the phone, give him to other person outside. Not be to break that phone. That phone can empower somebody. You can even give that phone to somebody that maybe you'll go for use and start social media. You start social media today. You don't know what God algorithm go do for it. You go just pick and go just go viral. You go they remember you. Say now you give them that phone. Why? Our phone now you feel use and do many things. But now they destroy things. James Brown, our brother boy girl, return this our brother property to her. He jewelries. He don't already pay you 3,000. He say he go video you if he arrest you. Me now, me arrest you. Say you be celebrity. Okay, me, I don't be celebrate you. If you not call me celebrity, I'll come for now. When I will call me celebrity, celebrity, celebrity. The brand are celebrity, Well, you don't the act with Destiny Tikwe. Don't the act with if I act with Bob Whiskey before. Now celebrate. Oh, my people, now this one break all mad for una. Please, all my brothers, when they do prank, please, when they do one, when they throw away food. Mostly that food aspect, they pay me. The word now they pass through. When they say throw away food, don't be time to throw away food, okay? You can do your prank with different style. Hey. Imagine that this is my macro. I they talk now. Person will just carry cockot and say, I get for what? You will fix this my macro from you. Whether that one you buy for me now the higher, you must fix them for me. Why? Why you cut them? If I get them, I'll give them to other people when I don't get. Yes, now. Baby want it. My people, and this one I get to talk. You can drop your opinion. Wait till I talk whether not true. There's the true way for me. I don't like them. And make J Brown return his jewelries. Return his jewelries. Return. No, me I don't come for me. Nigerian step family don't come for you. Oh, my brother, my sister, one love keep us together. Okay, maybe we keep shining.
And that issue with James Brown that conspired against both of us, and because of I went to break his phone. You understand? Or should I say her phone? So in the process of breaking her phone or his phone, he said I should pay a certain amount. I wanted to pay. Do you understand? Not that I didn't want to pay. I had a certain amount of money I wanted to give to him, and I told James Brown that I would surprise her with $3,000. And I went to the Aboki man. Yes, I posted the video and I showed all the world. The world saw the video. You understand? And when I went $3,000, that was worth 2.2 million naira. And I went back to give James Brown this money. And I apologized to him. You know, most times why I don't really give naira. Imagine let me tag James Brown to bring back my jewelry within the next 48 hours. This is it.
Why you break my phone? Tell me a story. How you do that to myself?
He don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Share